In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to WhatsApp status. By the end, you will know exactly how to choose a clip. Make quick edits and share it so your contacts can see it in the updates section. Make sure you have WhatsApp installed and updated, and a stable internet connection helps your video upload smoothly. Start by opening WhatsApp. Along the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device, you will see several tabs. Navigate to the Updates tab. This is where status lives, and it's the hub for short, temporary posts that your contacts can view for 24 hours. Next, tap on My Status or use the camera icon to get to the Status Composer. This takes you to the camera, and from there, you can access your gallery to pick a video you've already recorded. You might also see a pencil icon that's mainly for text-only updates. Since we're posting a video, stick with My Status or the camera so you can open your gallery and browse your clips comfortably. Now, select the video you want to share. You'll see a preview so you can confirm you picked the right one. If you record it in landscape or portrait, either is fine. WhatsApp will display it accordingly. If your clip has sound, make sure your volume is up so you can quickly check audio quality before posting. Once your video is loaded, you can edit it right on the status screen. At the top, here is a slider that lets you trim the clip to the exact portion you want to share. Up to 90 seconds. Drag the handles to choose a clean start and end point. Aim for a moment that begins clearly and ends without cutting someone off mid-sentence. You can also add text, emojis, stickers, or draw directly on the video. Keep overlays readable by placing them where they don't cover important parts of the frame. If you want to add a caption, type it in the field provided. Captions are great for context, quick notes, or a call to action. When everything looks good, tap the send button, the green arrow, to post it. The upload will begin, and once it's done, your video appears under My Status and becomes visible to your contacts in updates. If you spot a mistake after posting, you can return to My Status, open the video, and remove it at any time within the 24-hour window. That's it. Thanks for watching.